The design of the new generation Haval F7 exceeds all expectations. The crossover looks strict and technological, adopting the stateliness and confidence of modern megacities. The best-selling Haval model is presented in 4 trim levels: Comfort, Elite, Premium, and Tech Plus. The Haval F7 Premium version is an excellent choice for most car enthusiasts. It combines maximum comfort, rich equipment, and powerful driver potential. So, let's talk about the characteristics of the Haval F7. Its body contains 64% high-strength steel. The energy-intensive suspension consists of a McPherson strut in the front and a double wishbone beam in the rear. The chassis settings provide passengers with maximum comfort. The car goes smoothly, swallowing small bumps. On sections with difficult terrain, you need to be careful. The short suspension travel is not designed for off-road. Although in general, the geometric cross-country ability of the Haval F7 is good. It has short overhangs and a ground clearance of 190 millimeters. The steering is equipped with an electric booster from ZF. The steering wheel is precise and comfortable, with an instant response. Under the hood of the Haval F7 are 2 turbocharged gasoline engines: 1.5 liters, 150 horsepower, 280 newton meters, and 2.0, 190 horsepower, 280 newton meters, 340 newton meters, with a direct injection system. Engines with phase shifters at the inlet and outlet, with a dual-circuit cooling system and a variable performance oil pump run on 95th gasoline. A 7-speed robotic gearbox with a wet dual clutch is installed as a transmission on the crossover. The trunk of the medium-sized model, from 723 to 1,443 liters, equipped with nice soft upholstery and a spare wheel under the floor. In addition to the trunk, the interior has enough storage space for things: boxes, pockets, and shelves for small items. The interior of the Haval F7 makes a pleasant impression. It has a modern minimalist design of the European type, high-quality finishing, and well-thought-out ergonomics. There is almost no black glossy plastic, and this is a very practical solution. The car is equipped with many electronic options, including a digital instrument panel, multimedia system, cruise control, all-round visibility system, and many other options. The new Haval F7 has everything for the convenience of the driver and passengers. The backrest of the rear seats is adjustable so that passengers can sit with even greater comfort. The interior design is discreet, and the cabin itself is made of high-quality materials, such as soft perforated eco-leather on the seats. The 14.6-inch touchscreen display of the multimedia system is at arm's length, allowing you to connect your smartphone and conveniently use familiar functions. The dashboard display has increased to 12.3 inches. Adaptive cruise control allows you to maintain the speed and distance optimal for safe movement. Lane keeping assist. It will warn you about lane departure and keep the car from doing so, for better control over the situation. Blind spot monitoring system helps you safely exit a parking space and automatically brake if another vehicle approaches dangerously. Assistance when passing intersections. Assistance when reversing out of a parking space. Helps you exit a parking space safely. Automatic braking system, lane maneuver function. It will warn you about lane departure and keep the car from doing so, for better control over the situation. Road sign recognition system. The feature helps drivers comply with traffic rules by providing information about speed limits, prohibitions, and warnings.